What is Silk Road? The Silk Road is an ancient network of routes which connects the east side of the world to the west side. How did the Silk Road start? The Silk Road started when the Han dynasty of China opened trade in 130 B.C.E. until 1453 CE. How long was the Silk Road? The Silk Road extended approximately 6,437 kilometers or more. There is no exact distance as it stretched from the east side to the west side of the world. Who was involved in the Silk Road? Trade on the Silk Road played a huge role in the growth of the ancient cultures of China, Egypt, Mesopotamia and Indus Valley. It stretched across the Asia continent to Africa and even Europe. What was traded on the Silk Road? Many items were traded through the Silk Road. Merchants would trade silk from China or other items. What did they trade? For example, many different food items would be traded, such as fruits or a variety of spices. Jewelry and goods such as jade, pendants and gold was used to trade for items. Animals such as horses, donkeys, camels or any exotic animals would be traded. How did merchants transport items? First, boats were used to travel downstream lakes or rivers. Second, using donkeys, horses or camels to carry items. Third, walking whilst carrying or hauling items. Why it is important to understand. Understanding the Silk Road helps us understand economics, religion, and how ideas exchanged across different ancient civilizations. Here is a fun fact. Buddhism entered China by the Silk Road. Marco Polo traveled to China along the Silk Road. So what did you learn? Let's try a quiz. Question 1. What religion was spread into China by the Silk Road? A. Buddhism. B. Roman Catholicism. C. Christianity. D. Hinduism. E. Judaism. The answer is A. Buddhism. Buddhism was a great influence which entered into China from India, via the Silk Road. Question 2. Who started the Silk Road? A. Egypt. B. Mesopotamia. C. Rome. D. Indus Valley. E. China. The answer is E. China. The Silk Road was formed when ancient China opened its trade to the rest of the world. See you on next video.